What's going on, guys? Matt over here with Lethal Garage, and today's a special day. Why? Well, it's a 5th gen Camaro day. A lot of you guys out there that have 5th gen Camaros might agree with me here, but the purists out there are gonna hate this entire idea. Adding a ZL1 front bumper to your 5th gen vehicle. Now, there's a lot of ways you could do this. There's a couple aftermarket companies. I truly believe the best way to go forward is OEM. Use all GM parts, swap them out, make them work. Now, how do you do that? Well, you can go down to your local GM dealer, order a ZL1 front bumper, and then figure out how to do all the wiring and lighting and make it all work. That doesn't necessarily work, but you could reach out to Gen 5 DIY, which I so happen to know very well because I've worked for them and still do help them out here and there. And they offer a full 5th gen ZL1 conversion kit that includes everything you need. The wiring harnesses, the lighting. They can even adjust the front bumper to allow the lines of the bumper to match up with your SS hood if you're not planning to go full ZL1 conversion with the ZL1 hood, which is pretty damn expensive if you go down that route. So Gen 5 DIY, I'm out here. I'm literally in Arizona right now. We're here. Look, there's offer, owner, Gen 5 DIY, and I am picking up a bumper conversion. This is Jared. You guys know Jared. Jared's a man, myth, and legend, but in this box, he hasn't taped it yet, or have you? No. He already clipped it. But in this box is a ZL1 front end that is going on my dad's 45th anniversary car. It's not painted, so basically we're going straight on down to the body shop to get it painted. But for under $2 grand, you can get the full conversion, painted, etc., probably installed as well. I mean, it just depends on the paint shop. What is this retail on the site now? Do you remember?
$13.25.
So $13.25, and if you have a business to ship to, it's the $13.25. But if you ship at your house, the shipping cost does cost a little bit more. So if you have a friend with a business, has a business location that's not at a house, you can get it really inexpensive, shipping wise. And I still think the full bumper conversion, everything being GM OEM parts with the Gen 5 harnesses that use OEM plugs and everything to just make it work with your vehicle. You basically just choose what vehicle you have, and yeah. So basically what I'm doing now is I'm picking up the product, we're bringing it back to California, we're gonna drop it off to get painted, and then we'll show you what it all looks like, and then I'm gonna do a second video showing you the full install of this product. So yeah, let's get this in the truck and bring it back to California. We're smuggling it into California. Yes, because there's no California illegal parts. There's actually nothing illegal about this, but whatever. Yeah, let's get it in the truck. I had a couple straps and my tow straps in the truck. I think this will be good enough to keep it from sliding this way, and hopefully that will be good enough to keep it from flying out. This should be good because we have a strap up front holding it so it won't slide back. We'll find out if we make it back to California with all the parts and pieces. Yeah, these GM boxes aren't all that great. They're meant to be carried freight, so. But I looked in the holes. We're not crushing the bumper or anything like that, so we're good, I think. So we're back in California. I got my dad. If you guys don't know, there's this 45th 5th gen that's gonna get the new front end. My mom's sitting in there going, "You better not be recording me right now." Look at, she's checking her she's checking her makeup. My mom, I love her. But we dropped the bumper off. It's gonna be painted the same color the 45th anniversary cars were. Obviously we kept all the parts and pieces of the setup that don't get painted. So it comes with a crash bar, comes with a lower skid plate, comes with the lower grill with the, I guess that would be the splitter. And then in the package, you get the proper wiring harness that allows the SS vehicle to convert with all the lights and work properly. You get the bezels, you get the actual, the lighting. You do reuse your upper grille and you do reuse your fog lights, but outside of that, yeah, here it is. I knew it was in here somewhere. This is the ZL1 projector. It's in here. See, there it is. All pretty, brand new. All wrapped up. So that's all in here. Get lots of bolts and screws, but really we just gotta wait for paint. How long did they say it was gonna take?
They didn't tell you when you dropped it off?
No, well, Rick wasn't there. It was Nick that I dropped it off with. So I don't know how long it's gonna take to get it painted, but literally the next video for the 5th gen is gonna be installing that front end and walking you through that entire process. If you guys are interested in the front end, I put a link down in the description for Gen 5 DIY. It's all OEM products, parts, everything. It's a super simple install. It is not difficult. There is a couple fitment things considering we didn't buy the ZL1 liners and stuff like that, but we'll go through that on the install. But outside of that, it's gonna be awesome. So thanks for checking out this content. Stay tuned for tons of 5th gen stuff. I've been talking with Ricardo at Fast Tech on ordering a whole bunch of new parts for my dad's car based on what he likes and what he wants to do with it. And yeah, we'll go from there. Until next time, guys. See you on the road. Oh, Dad. He loves having a V8. I'm so happy for him.